Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are out here in Birmingham, Alabama, and at the Slosh event. And we have right over my shoulder here, we have the towers of the Slosh furnaces. That's why we are having this event here, because of the historical nature in which it shows. As you can see, we're also getting some footage with our Mavic 3, and it is turning out wonderful. It just took a shower, and in doing so, it has created some beautiful pictures.
Here we are at Slosh Furnace event. Here is my vehicle. Here is everybody's tent. This is Saturday, first day of the event. This is the tent that I slept in overnight. Everybody is out here. Beautiful sunrise. Came here Friday, volunteered, and now the event will start at 10. See the furnaces over there. And so we have our racetrack set up over here. Gates set up last night. Here's the gate. See what we can do to help over here. Yeah. Is Molly the coordinator? We were having a registration center right here. Setting up signs.
Let's see where this is gonna get.
Some good ties to hang up here.
Yeah. Okay, I'll do that. Hold that side up.
There we are.
Let's see.
Nice and level.
How exciting! This is official now.
It sure is. So a little about yourself.
Yeah, so I'm Molly Murphy. I am co-owner of Dearborn Drone Co. My brother and I have the company. And yeah, we really primarily do a lot of repeat gigs through live streaming, speed tour, National Rock Racing Association. We work with a lot of pilots, man. So when you see us, we're not necessarily just representing myself and my brother, we're representing a lot of people in the community. We actually got 2 jobs going on this weekend too, which is kind of fun. We've got 3 blocks away, Seasick Records is kind of having a record store day. And so we'll pop over there for a little bit with a couple of our pilots. And then we also have another rock racing event. I want to say it's in Arkansas somewhere, but yeah, Kyle's holding it down over there. Unfortunately, he couldn't make it, but he had a little boy and he lives in Arkansas, so it kind of worked out for him to still get a job and still do something. But yeah, so we just do jobs, we talk it out, we work nationally, and yeah, we do the hard stuff, you know, we go through the authorizations, we go through the waivers, and we talk with people and make sure we do good business. Yeah, that's more about me. I wouldn't say that's the best, but
yeah, that's
I might have to
awesome.
read it out. Thank you.
All right, good morning on a Saturday day, the 12th of August. Here we have our Slosh drone event right here, all ready to kick off.
Oh, getting everything all set up here. This is where the spectators will be behind the yellow tape.
I've got two over there, but they're only like maybe you do or don't know, but the his live stream that he does on Sundays.
Yeah, he showed me his
is
YouTube
legit.
channel.
That is like cool.
You go ahead and pull up on your side. I'm gonna have you sign some stuff.
This is crazy. This little thing is so much fun.
Getting ready to fly. IT assembly?
Yes. We're the people you call to put together your furniture.
We follow instructions.
Rig just gets bigger and bigger.
No, this is smaller.
Oh, that's good.
Set up for vertical too.
Rig just gets bigger and bigger.
No, this is smaller.
Oh, that's good.
Set up for vertical too.
The master at work. You taught him everything he knows.
Yeah.
Experience that like every time I decide to do something, it's because I can. And then
That is pretty nice. You used bamboo printer?
no, NFL Sun. It's a Delta printer.
Josh on 5, man. I'm on 7.
One or three.
One.
Oh, you just edged down 2 minutes.
27.3.
You didn't finish your
28
lap.
left.
Oh, hello. I don't know
I was flowing though.
You were. It's a good pack.
I was like, alright, I'm gonna split this. I'm like, I can split this.
Four-wheel steering.
Watch the back tires.
Yes, four-wheel steering, yeah. It's a cyber... I call you guys the cyber truck couple. Magnificent.
How it shifts like
Yeah,
that when it's
four-wheel
driving?
Steering, yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for today?
Do it.
You want to move this thing?
Well, it's not bad.
I like cleaned that off this morning. It seems like it's really dusty.
Can't have that.
Yeah, no. Not at all. What's that?
Repairs in the morning. Nothing like some fresh solder in the morning. That's how you lose everything early on.